Hey Lawnies, has the holidays, weather or circumstance got you to that spongy lawn stage where you just can't mow it properly? Well, this video is here to help you, to show you all the steps start to finish. Let's get your lawn on. TifTuf here, and he's looking after it pretty well, but look, a couple of weeks of lots of rain and not mowing and lots of heat afterwards has resulted in a long lawn that's thatchy and doesn't mow too well because it's so long. I've got a selection of rotaries that do different heights and a scarifier to help me, and this is no easy task. This is going to be a big day because this lawn is thick. So if you haven't guessed already, we're doing a reno to fix this up. So that's low mowing, scarifying, aerating and top dressing to get a good result. We can do this during the growing season. While the TifTuf actually looks good this high, there is so much thatch beneath it that eventually it'll cause some problems because it won't let water, air and nutrients get to the soil and hence the root zone. A large thatch area also traps the moisture and could cause fungal diseases in the future.
It is so thick.
Now when it starts getting really thick, the mower chokes up, so it makes this task just such a long day.
Another 25 rounds like that, I reckon. Getting a hammering today, I've taken off, and yeah, just mowing and mowing and mowing. I'm going to get to scarifying soon, so that'll start thinning it out a bit. This is what's coming up, bag after bag of that. Alright, just because I'm a bit sick of mowing and I want to thin it out a bit more to get lower, I'm going to use the scarifier. I don't think this will even touch the ground at the moment, even though I've got it fairly deep because it's still just so thick. Look at that, it's so brown and crap. That's going to thin it right out so we can get down a bit more. So I've left this bit here so you get a perspective of how thick it was. Mind you, I've cut probably a couple of inches off of this. I'll go really close. It's like, it's longer than my finger. You can see there's just so much brown. And here, this little area, probably about 80 square meters, There's been 3 trailer loads already, so it's just crazy. Alright, so got to do that little bit. Tomorrow's task will be just to trim up the edges a bit and you know, finish off this bit here. I didn't bring my whippersnipper, which was a bit silly, so I just need to do some edging up. And yeah, tonight Nick's going to give this a good hour-and-a-half drink. So what I'm going to do tomorrow is I'm going to come here, do the edges, aerate, top dress, and even it out. Oh, all right, I'm stuffed. Let's get going, eh?
So here we are, day 2, fresh from a rest and ready to get back into action again. And it's another big day. Just doing the edging here with the Ego whippersnipper. Very good tool and very powerful, as you can see. It goes right through it. And finishing off this area, which I didn't do the day previous because I ran out of trailers and ran out of time. So this little area, believe it or not, was one little trailer as well. But it's time to bring out the big dog, the Aerator from Billy Goat. I love this thing, and thanks Billy Goat and Briggs & Stratton for the support. Due to the reciprocating action, this aerator is far superior to drum aerators, which are commonly used as hire machines. Drum machines will bounce over the surface, where this doesn't at all, and you're always in control, and you can just really manage your area, big or small, quite easily. 80mm holes will get the air, water and nutrients into the soil and root zone, and also aid with filtration. Interested in this aerator or any other Billy Goat products, Briggs & Stratton are the distributors in Australia, and you can connect with them by giving them an email. Just letting you know that I don't charge for doing renovations, so my mates or whoever's in need gives me a call, and if it's local to me, I do what I can when I can. So if you're in SA, round Port Pirie, Port Augusta, Whyalla, I can certainly do you a solid. Nick only had to pay for dump fees of $50, which is fair enough. I was a one-man crew, so I brought all the soil in little piles and spread it fairly evenly. Then I got to it with a rake and raked it out. And once I did that, I used the soil spreader to level out and got quite a nice job out of that. This top dress is from Hydrix. It's called 821. It has a few bits and pieces in it, but look, we wanted it for the nutrition, and also Nick has a rotary mower, so a low-mow is not on his agenda, so a general level out does very well. So Nick will be watering in with his irrigation system 15 minutes 3 times a day, morning, noon and late afternoon, just to keep it moist while it grows in. It was too windy to do it today, but Nick did it the next day, put down some soil wetter and some 4 seasons to help growth. So be sure to check out my reno, which I did to the nth degree in next week's video, and you can be informed when that video drops by subscribing to the channel. So smash the like button, Lawnies, that really helps me out. And subscribing and hitting the bell notification will get you notified of when I drop the video.